Today on William's Adventures, I'm going to show you what I've been doing with the Dragonbone Greatsword. Because I've got made a lot of progress, so I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I got going on. Alrighty. So, as you can see here, I have most of it carved out or cut out to actually then start carving it and making it to shape. And as you can see here, it's kind of unfinished because right here is where the big circle is, which I'm planning on making a separate piece, cutting it off here, making a separate piece that glues on here and maybe screws in here or something. I don't know as of yet. But it is very rough cut, but that is the current progress. And as of now, you can see it is very tall in comparison to my window. At its height is like 55, 56 inches. But that is the progress I've made. Now what I did was I took this saw here and actually cut out the notches along here. And no, they're not even, but I plan on, because I cut them a little bit wide on this side, so I need to take and shave this in here a little bit. As you can see here, like this flares out far more, even though it's supposed to come to a point like right there. But I'm going to be shaping it by hand before I finish it off. What I did is, if you notice, there's no crossguard, because I actually laid those pieces out and cut them out here. As you can see here. And this attaches roughly right there. I'm going to pause it for a second and clamp it in place. There we go. As you can see there. That's approximate. It's not perfect by any means. But then what I'm going to do is quite literally what I'm thinking about is taking these spare pieces I have and layering them in here to fill this up and make this a one solid piece. I don't know as of yet, but that's what I'm currently thinking. Now, one thing I have noticed, let me move while doing this, there's a slight curve to it, as you can see here. So I need to actually fix that too and straighten it out, because it is a pretty distinct curve. But that's my current progress on the Dragonbone Greatsword. And this thing is massive. Alright, well, thank you for joining me today on William's Adventures, and let's go on an adventure and create something new.